Okay, so this week we added the CRUD functionality. So let's have the server running and let's see, illustrate what's happening. So I'll also get my canvas connected so that we can see if it's working well. So we have the server running now. Let's go to our REST. Then let's send a request. Okay, so that is it's bringing in the data now. So now if you go to the routes and you go into contacts, the one that's running at the moment is that. So let's run the post and let's see how that works. So I prefer using Postman. So we need to go to post, then add contact, add contact, then think I then have to now put the body of the contact that I want to add. Let's see if I do this. Oh yeah, I have to type raw. So now let's add the contact that we want. Structure of the data is, let's see, in our phone book. So this is, we have the first name, last name, email, favorite color, and birthday. So let's start with that. They all have to be in, I think, in double. First name, like that. Then let's add John, then comma, enter. Last name, like that. Let's say John D. Okay. Then I think we'll add the email, like that. Say John D at let's just give him a Gmail account, like that. Now we have to add the favorite color. It's favorite color, just like that. Then let's give him a favorite color of red. And then the last one is the birthday for John D. Let's press enter. Let me say birthday, like that. Let's give him 27/02/1990, just like that. Okay, let's try to see if we send, if we're going to be successful. So hopefully what's going to happen is that when we send that request, it's going to trigger this route, and then it's going to call this function, and this function is found, if you see get contact, is in the controller, and in the controller I have this this add contact here. Okay, so let's see how that runs. Okay, true acknowledge, so which means the contact has been inserted, and this is the ID. So let's go to my canvas. We don't see, we have Nobonga, Isaac, Mnashe, McDonald, and Yolanda. Let's refresh and see if we have John D. Well, it's sending null, so which means it's not didn't receive. Okay, so to add the contact, let's see if we can add this contact here. I'm gonna post it. I'll send it as JSON, because I'll send request. It comes as true. Now let's go to my canvas. Let's refresh that, and there you go. We have John D, just like that. So So we know that we can use our post function very well. So now let's try to see what else did we add this week. We added the post, the put, and the delete. Okay, so now let's try to see if we can put, and then to use the put, if I look into my contacts, I have to say modify, then provide the ID that I want to modify. All right, let's do that. So here I'll say modify, then slash, and then I want to modify this contact here. Copy, paste it here, and then from John I want to say Johnny, and then here I want to say RE, John D. Re, and here I want to say RE as well, then Y, then I'll give him a color of blue. Just like that. So let's try to see if that is gonna work. Okay, so we have changed, it is acknowledged it. Let's refresh this. So we have John Dairy, Johnny Dairy, yeah. So we know that our post is working, our put is working. Now let's try to see if we can delete is slash delete, then the ID. Let's go back to here, post name, delete, then delete that ID, then I'll change my method to delete, then I'll send that. Could not respond. Okay, I have to do more debugging. Okay, so where the problem was. So if I refresh here, you see I have a contact by the name of John, but then I neglected to add all the other stuff on purpose. So I want to delete this contact now. If I copy the ID, and then here I'll say delete slash and the ID, then I change my method to delete, then send the data, then it says true here, it has been deleted. So now I still have it here, but if I refresh my my database, you can see that it's actually gone. So we have successfully implemented the post, put, and delete from this week's requirements. So we have done we're calling the contacts, we did the post, we did the put, we did the delete. So that's been successful. I guess you could say that makes it for this week.